Hey guys, what's up? Dario here. So the iPhone XR is a premium price smartphone with its $750 price tag, but unfortunately for that price you won't be able to use its fast charging feature because both the fast charging brick and also the complementary cable have to be purchased separately for an addition of $70. So in this video I wanted to explore what are some of the cheaper alternatives to actually fast charge your iPhone XR, XS and XS Max. So if you're interested in this as well, I would suggest you to stick around. So as I already said in the intro, the iPhone XR is a pricey device, and spending an additional $70 on the fast charging brick and cable will quickly bump up the total price of this device to $820. So in this video I will be testing 2 Android chargers and also 1 battery pack that I have lying around, just to see if, first of all, they are going to be able to work with the iPhone XR, second, to see if they're going to be able to deliver fast charging capability, and also third, to see if they're going to be able to deliver at least better performance than the standard brick that you get in the box. So according to Apple, their fast charger is able to deliver 50% of battery life in about 30 minutes of charging. So that's exactly going to be the magic number that I'm going to be looking for with the 2 Android chargers and also the battery pack. So for this test I will be using the Samsung Galaxy S8 adaptive fast charger, OnePlus dash charger, and also a battery pack from Anker called the PowerCore 13000 with voltage boost capability for the iPhone. Okay, so let's first start with the Samsung adaptive fast charger, which you can buy for about $5 to $10 on Amazon. So this charger is rated with an output voltage of 9 volts at 1.67 amps or 5 volts at 2 amps, which equals to an output of 10 watts or 15 watts. So let's test how this actually performs. I started charging the iPhone at 4% of battery. So after 10 minutes of charging, I was able to get 10% of battery life. After 20 minutes of charging, I was at 16%. And after 30 minutes of charging, I was at 22%. So as you can see, you're not able to fast charge your iPhone XR with a Samsung adaptive charger. Okay, now let's see how the OnePlus dash charger actually performs. You can buy this one for around $10, and this one is rated at an output voltage of 5 volts at 4 amps, which equals to an output of 20 watts. So let's plug it in and see if it's going to perform better than the Samsung adaptive charger. Okay, so no luck here. Looks like the OnePlus dash charger actually won't work with the iPhone XR at all. Okay, let's now try the Anker PowerCore 13000. This battery pack has a capacity of 30,000 milliamps and costs about $29. And the rated output of this one is 5 volts at 3 amps, which is around 15 watts of output. It claims to have intelligent high-speed charging for any device that you connect to it, and also voltage boost that prevents cable resistance from slowing your charging speeds. So in this case, I started with a 5% charged iPhone battery. After 10 minutes of charging with the battery pack, I was at 19%, and after 20 minutes of charging, I was at 32%. And after 30 minutes of charging, I was able to charge the battery up to 45%. So compared with the previous 2 chargers, the Anker battery pack achieved the best results, getting me the closest to that 50% charge in 30 minutes number that I was looking for. Also, when comparing it to the 5-watt charging brick that you get included in the box, it's also considerably faster, because that one would get you at 21% in 30 minutes, while this battery pack got me to 45%. So if you have an Android charger lying around, or you're planning to buy one to actually cut on cost, unfortunately it won't be able to work with the iPhone XR, or it won't be able to deliver fast charging capabilities. But the good news is that there are some cheap alternatives which can save you up to $40 to $45. So for example, if you're on the go, the Anker power cord that I used in this video is an excellent choice to get close to fast charging capability on the go. But on the other hand, if you're looking for a charger to use at home, I would recommend you to go with a 30-watt Anker USB-C charger, because it can fast charge your iPhone XR, XS and XS Max, and you can also use it to charge your iPad as well as the USB-C MacBook Pro. And of course, for this one, I will also leave a link in the description below. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I really hope that the video helped you save a couple of dollars in case you're looking for an iPhone fast charger. And if the video actually helped you, give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. And of course, I will see you guys in the next video. So take care.